Hi, I'm Jody Super Trainer. Today we are doing a review on electronic wireless charging card holder. Let's open it up and see what we got in here. Alright, first thing that pops out, it comes with a cigarette lighter charger with two plugs. One is faster than the other. The green is super fast for iPads or tablets, and the other one is for iPhones or Androids. It also comes with a USB micro plug cord. You can plug it into your cigarette lighter in your car. Comes with the instruction manuals. Most people don't know how to use these. Okay, and also comes with air conditioner clip, and once you take the wireless charging pad out, this is where you will connect the air conditioner clip, and 180 degrees rotatable, and the side clips are auto gravity sense. So once it's plugged up and you slide your phone down in, this will close. And on each side you see a silver button. You touch these buttons and the edges will automatically open up. And on the bottom side is the USB micro plug entrance. And once you plug that in, this is the wireless back for the charging. Comes with a protective case until you are ready to charge. This is for iPhones or Note 8s, Note 9s, any phone with QI wireless charging capabilities. This is an awesome tool. I've had it in my truck for a while, and I simply